Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana, and today I am going to be doing a cash stuffing for a Social Security check that one of my children get. So today we actually took out $600 from the bank. $100 of it did go to food. Before we got home, there was $15 remaining, so that's how we got the number today, which is $515. So I have 100, 200, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 10, and 15. Okay, let's go and get this because I totally forgot about that. It's only 1.5. So with this right here, he does contribute to the households because right now I only have a part-time job and I get unemployment. But this right here, I consider my son's money. If he was not okay with contributing, then he would not have to. I would be mad. I would not be mad. It is his money. He gets to do whatever he wants. He actually told me that I could have the whole entire check, and I refused. But I do have a thing with him where we're putting 300 of his money toward bills. Some of it gets kept into the bank, so he gets a little bit more than 600. I only take out 600. That's it. The $600, like I said, 50 of it goes to bills, 20% goes to whatever he needs, so like spending money, gaming, stuff like that, and then the rest of it, which would be if 30%, is going to go towards savings. So we're trying to do the Dave Ramsey thing where it's like 50, 20, 30. The only difference between theirs and ours is Dave Ramsey puts $20 towards savings or 20% towards savings, 30% toward like living expenses, stuff like that. What we are doing is the opposite for that because he doesn't really have expenses. This month he did contribute to food only because I unfortunately lost about a lot. I lost about $900 of my one source of income that was coming in. So to help me out, he gave me $100 of his food, but we prepare food together. We do everything together. So it's basically so that he and his sister can eat. Yeah. So this right here, when you see this red envelope, this is going to be my son's. Now he has, let me go ahead and lift this up just a little bit more. He does have his own categories. He picks whatever he wants. He saves whatever he wants. We sit down and we do a budget, so it's not like me just robbing him and putting stuff wherever I want. He makes all the decisions for his money. I know that there are some people, unfortunately, who are like, well, I have to take care of him, and so that money is mine. I don't see it that way. I see it as that one day he will be on his own. He needs to learn how to do this, and yes, it does help, but I also don't want my kids in the same situation where I was in, where I was like 19 years old or 20 years old. I had already had, 2 kids. I didn't know what I was doing. I had no idea about money. I'm trying to teach him young so that way he doesn't fall into, really bad habits quickly or kind of destroy his future. And so he's, like I said, picked this category. He does everything that he wants. So we have this one. Actually, let's start with this one. So for him, he is helping us out a little bit. So $100. So I have 1 and 2. This goes toward our rent. We have not been told how much our rent is going to be, so we're just saving as much money as possible until we get our final amount because I did lose my job and I have a Section 8, at one point I had zero income, like $0. Walgreens is where I work as a pharmacy tech. They weren't scheduling me, and I had nothing else. So I didn't have unemployment. I didn't have nothing coming in. So right now I do have that, but they have not told me how much this is going to be. So we're just putting as much money as we can in there for right now. Electric is going to be getting $50. So we're just going to stick this in there. Okay, gas bill is going to be getting $50. Sticking that in there. And then he helps me pay the phone bill. So the phone bill, the cat is going crazy over there, is going to be getting $100. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80. Did I really do that? Hold on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, I did. That's a first. Alright, so $100 is going to be going toward our phone bill. Now, our phone bill is kind of expensive. It actually just went down because I signed up for, if you hear that in the background, that is my cat jumping through everything inside my closet and knocking it all over. So, yeah. I signed up for automatic payment for my phone. And so, this one right here is actually my last payment in there for last month. I have to deposit it. But because of that, it ended up saving us $30. So, my phone bill is kind of high. I have insurance on my daughter's phone, which is like, I don't even know, like an extra $30 or something a month, because she cannot handle phones at all. And she had her phone for less than a week and she had already smashed the screen protector that's on there. So yes, I have insurance on her phone. Me and my son don't have it, but we do pay, I think it's like, I don't even know. I know it's not $50 a line. I think it's like 40 or 30 a line. I don't know. It comes up to $160 now. It was $180, but that's because almost $190, and that's because they didn't take the $30 discount off, because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get the automatic payments. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's where I am right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one. This is my wallet, which I take with me everywhere. I kind of just put this on there because I don't really like the thought of like cash just being seen, you know, like just in case, because I am in school right now and stuff like that. So grocery is going to be getting, let's see, $10 or 10 and 15. So $15 because he contributed $100 for the week, which is awesome. So proud of this kid. But he also knows that he has to eat. And now he's like the only one home half the time. So that is done. Okay, and then on to his binder. So for gaming, he's going to put in $20. And right now he hasn't spent any of this, so I don't know if he's saving up for something or anything like that, but he has 50, 70, and 75 in there. I'm gonna do that quick, but the 75. For clothes, he is not gonna put anything in there. For school, he's putting $20. And this is the one that he really wants to beef up, is his school one. So he has $100, $200, and $40. So $240 isn't school. Now he wants to be an engineer. He's extremely smart. Right now, school is going to be free for the first 2 years. After that is when he's gonna have to start paying. So sorry, it's just adjusting that a little bit. Car is, actually the car is not going to get anything. Driver's ed is going to be getting $60. We just found out that driver's ed is $120, and I'm trying to get him in the first class that we can. So right now he has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, and 20. So he has $120, which is perfect. He just needs the money for the book. So if for some reason we get him into a class this month, then I'll just go ahead and buy the book for him. Computer is something that he's saving for. It's going to be a gaming computer, so they are pretty expensive. I was like, I think he was in here. I don't count like that. But he's going to be putting $20 in there today. So he has 50, 70, 90, 110, 111, and 112. Okay, so for house, he's going to be putting in $40. I'm wondering if that is true or not. I don't know. He said he wanted to put in $40, so it's sticking. Yeah, this is gonna drive me insane because he was counting it so that way he could decide what to put in there. So right now he has 50, 20. Nope. 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 31, 32, and 133 in house. For Christmas is going to be getting nothing. For spending is going to be getting $10, which brings him to $20. So 10 and 20. Oh, look at, he has another $20 in there. I didn't even see that. Oh my goodness. All right, so he has $20, $30, and $40 in spending. And this is for anything that he wants. So he also, like I said, he has some money in his account. I don't take it all out, you know. I just want him to do as much as possible, but still have a buffer, and that's basically what's in there. Food is going to be getting $20, and this right here is actually for when he, I think I did his thing wrong. Pretty sure I did. So that's why I was like, house looks like it's getting a lot. But this is for if he's home, and because he's going to be home a lot. Avery, who is my daughter, she's actually in school Monday through Friday, of course. She's in high school. And then I'm in school Monday through Thursday. And then I'll be working full-time on Fridays and every other Saturday. So, well, hopefully every other Saturday. But this is if he wants, like, DoorDash, if he wants to order something from the local, you know, store, something like that. Then, yeah. He has 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So he has $40 in food. Let's go back into house. I think house was only supposed to get $10 and not $40. Or $20. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to leave him with 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 111, 12, and 113 for house. Because I'm looking at his notes, and he has emergency fund, vacation, and gym all getting $10. So, emergency fund. He's actually doing the Dave Ramsey class with me. So, that's why he knows about emergency funds, guys. But I have 50, 60, 65, and 70. His move out is not going to get anything, but it does have some money in there. Let's see. He has $30 in here, so 20, 25, and 30. Just put that this way. And this is if he decides to move out and get an apartment, which we're hoping in like a little bit. You know, he'll he'll start thinking about that, but there's no rush right now. Vacation is going to be getting, oh my goodness, kid. See, he's in charge of his own envelope. All right, so it's getting $10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, and 81. Vacation, and then gym is the last one, and this is going to get $10, which gets him a total of 50. So 20, 40, and 50. All right, guys. So I am going to close this. There we go. All right, so that is the cash stuffing for my son. Again, this is for a income that is for Social Security. He does get a little bit over $600 every month, once a month. And so this right here is my son's sinking funds. Like I said, he sits down, he budgets everything out with me, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be successful in the future. I'm very, very excited about it. Like I said, he's doing the Dave Ramsey class with me. I've been budgeting for like a while. I just wanted to kind of go through the class. I'm already seeing things that I'm kind of struggling with, like when he's like, go and get 3 jobs, and it's like, I can't work 3 jobs and raise 2 kids on my own and, go to school full time. So it's a little bit hard, but I take it for what it is. But my son, he's learning a lot. So especially with the emergency fund, I'm pretty sure that hopefully if everything goes right, my son is never going to be in debt. So, he doesn't make like spending purchases that like don't need to be there. He doesn't care about clothes, he doesn't care about shoes, he doesn't care about things like that. Today he was able to just pull out money from his account, go get a haircut. That's all he's wanted for a little bit. He, like I said, put $100 toward food today. He's paying bills, he's doing everything that he can, so he's on a really good track. And so again, I hope that this is going to help those. I know that everybody's situation is different, but if you have SSI and you do get some help, I hope that this kind of helps you guys along the way as well. So I will see you guys later. I hope that you guys have a really great weekend, a really great day. Yeah, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely like this video. All right, guys? Bye.